Good morning, class. Yesterday we have seen how to multiply fractions, and today we are going to learn how to perform division of fractions. Here I have taken an example, fraction and divided by whole. Means 3 by 5 is a fraction and we have to divide this by a number, that is whole number, 9. Now, first step that you have to remember, in each question of division of fractions, what we have to do, class? We have to convert this division sign into multiplication sign. Okay? So, how to do this? We will write the first fraction as it is, and what we will do? We will write this division as multiplication. Okay? Now, focus here, this is 9, but we have converted this division into multiplication, so we will write the reciprocal of the 9. Reciprocal means multiplicative inverse. What will be the multiplicative inverse of 9? It is 9 upon 1, so we can write it 1 upon 9. Now, it is easy for us to solve this question because we have already learned how to perform the multiplication of fractions. Is there any common factor in the numerator and denominator? Yes, here is 3 and 9. 3 comes in the table of 3 and 9 comes in the table of 3. So, we can simplify it as 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. Now, what is there in the numerator? 1 multiplied by 1. And what is there in the denominator? 5 multiplied by 3. 1 ones is 1 and 5 threes is 15. So, this is our answer. You have to remember this. This division sign we have to convert into multiplication sign. And when we are converting this division sign into multiplication sign, we have to write the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of the given fraction. Now we will see how to divide a whole number with fraction. Here I have taken a whole number and a fraction. How to perform the division of it? Procedure will be same. We will convert this division sign into multiplication sign. This division we will write as multiplication. Then we will be writing the multiplicative inverse of the given fraction. What will be the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 7? Yes, it will be reciprocal, that is 7 by 2. Okay. Now we know that there is no common factor between the numerator and denominator, so we can directly multiply 5 by 7 and 2 by 1. So what will be our answer? 5 multiplied by 7 and 1 multiplied by 2. 5 7s is 35 and 2 1s is 2. You can also convert this 35 by 2. It is an improper fraction. We can convert this as a mixed fraction, right? So it will be 70 times and 1 remainder by 2. So you know that very well how to convert a mixed improper fraction into mixed fraction. After this, now we will see how to divide a fraction with fraction. Here I have taken an example. We have to divide 7 by 8 by 11 by 16. So, procedure will be same. We will be writing 7 by 8 as it is. Then we will be converting this division sign into multiplication sign. Now, we have to write the multiplicative inverse of 11 by 16. So, it will be 16 by 11. Now, can we simplify this? Yes, 8 comes in the table of 8 and 16 also comes in the table of 8. We know that 8 ones is 8 and 8 twos is 16. Now, what is left in the numerator? 7 multiplied by 2. What is left in the denominator? 1 multiplied by 11. What is my answer? 14 by 11. You can convert this into mixed fraction because it is improper fraction. 11 ones are 11, remainder is 3 and denominator will be 11. So this is how we can divide a fraction with fraction. So today we have learned how to divide a fraction with whole number, how to divide a whole number with fraction, and how to divide a fraction with